Hey guys, welcome back to another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you connect your AirPod Pro with your iPhone. So simply, guys, you can do it very easily. So let's check, guys. We want to connect these with your iPhone easily. So first of all, guys, you may check. You may just open this, and you may check. This pop-up will be show. Then, guys, you may connect this. Click here on connect, and then, guys, you may click and hold this side button or back button, and you may check this will be connect automatically. So let's check, guys. So this is now connecting. So you may check that AirPod has been connected, and now you can enjoy this. So you may check all these specification will be shown. So you may click here on continue, and then guys you may go back and you may open settings, and you may check this will be shown here. So you may customize this from here. So if this is not working, then guys you may go back, and guys you may close this, and you may open your settings or your Bluetooth settings. So let's say click here, and you may remove all your previous devices from here, and then you may connect this by this method again, and you may check your problem will be fixed. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.